Okay guys, so welcome back again. So as I was saying, I'm on site right now, so we'll be installing this 3 panels for the Geyser Gecko. So Geyser Gecko, so I'm going to give you more information about it, how this is going to be done, and then how this is going to be connected, as I said, and then we'll take it from there. So working in progress. Just mounted this 2, remaining with 1. Okay guys, so the panels are installed, so now we just have to go inside, do the connections, and then bring everything down and connect. So yeah. Okay guys, so installation is done, so already plugged it in. So now we're going to be testing, right? Okay guys, so this is how we installed the Gecko unit, as you can see. So we have the input power, which is going into this, right? And then we have a changeover right there. And we have the sensor cable, which is running through there. And as you can see, this is how this is done. So this is going to be used as PV input. In my case, I actually added some fuses, right? And my fuse are 10 amp fuses, right? And I also add a surge arrestor on there, right? So I've got also a 10 amp breaker right there for the PV input, and then we also have some fuses which are 10 amps, right? So I'm just waiting for the DC cable to come through, then I can connect, and we're ready to rock it and roll and register it. So I'm then going to show you how it's done right on the app, step by step. Amazing stuff, guys. Yeah. Okay, so still have waiting for my DC connections, right? So I've done the connections for from the breaker here for DC, right, out to the fuses and to the surge arrestor. So you can see, so I've got this one which shows a red line, right, which is the red, and then you have the black on the other side. Hold on. Okay, so these are my wires which are coming from the panels, right? So I'm going to connect them, and yeah. Okay, so we're going to be testing just to see how much power we having right now on here, even though as you can see, it's already, as you can see right there, we have 109.7 volts. Okay, so done. Okay guys, so the geyser is connected, so the power straight to the geyser. So we need to install the sensor. So the sensor need to go on the hot water side of the geyser, so the cold water is on the other side. So we got a 150 liter geyser, right? Apologies for that, this is crazy. This is how men works. So this is where the hot water is, so we're going to install the sensor right there or right here. Okay, and then we're going to cover this with lagging. So I'm going to basically show you right how this is going to look like. Okay, so we install the sensor, as you can see. Now I have the laggings right here, which I'm going to install there and secure, so that our sensor can actually read the temperature of the cylinder properly. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to put the laggings in, so we just install it there. That's it. So our installation is done, so we're going to do the application and then test and see how everything works. So we have this AC output already there, and our PV, so we have to switch it on also, but right now it's not gonna pick up anything because it's already night. So yeah, and the temperature should be okay. Then we're gonna have to go up on the changeover. Okay, so now we're going to do the setting for the app, and then you see how it's done. Okay, so you have to go to Geyser Gecko and then register installation. So I'm gonna click on scan. So on there you have a QR code which I'm going to scan. Okay, so I got the information.